Process characteristics. Material removal rate employed to machine nearly all materials, not economical for materials of hardness less than 50 HRC. Stainless steel, cobalt based heat resistant steels, germanium, glass, ceramic, carbide, quartz and semiconductors are machined. Material removal rate per unit time is inversely proportional to the cutting area of the tool, provided the circulation of the slurry and other operating conditions are held constant. Tool vibrations also affect the removal rate. The type of abrasive, its size and concentration of the slurry also directly affect the material removal rate. Boron carbide is the hardest and has the highest material removing capability. Accuracy. Size of the hole produced is influenced by the grit of the abrasive. Size of a round produced by this process is equal to size of the tool plus an overcut, which is about twice the size of the abrasive particles. Use of two or more tools for roughing and finishing is essential because of tool wear and because of need to use different grades of abrasives for roughing and finishing. Holes of accuracies with tolerance of plus or minus 0.03 mm on diameter and plus or minus 0.06 mm on depth can be obtained. A minimum corner radius of 0.10 mm is possible in finished machining. Tool wear. The tool wear in ultrasonic machining is defined by the ratio of volume of material removed from the workpiece to that removed from the tool. Table below illustrates the effect of different tool materials on the wear ratios in machining, glass and stellite. Tool materials are stainless steel, carbon steel and brass with a wear ratio on glass and stellite of 100:1 to 40:1, 100:1 to 35:1 and 40:1 to 10:1. Surface finish. Surface finish in ultrasonic machining depends on the size of abrasive particles, work materials, tool amplitude and slurry circulation. With finer sizes of abrasives, a surface finish of 0.2 to 0.8 micron can be achieved. The finer abrasives result in slower material removal rate. Advantages. It can be used to machine hard, brittle, fragile and non-conductive materials. No heat is generated in work, therefore no significant changes in physical structure of the work material. Non-metal, because of the poor electrical conductivity that cannot be machined by EDM and ECM, can very well be machined by ultrasonic machining. It is a burless and distortionless processes. It can be adopted in conjunction with other technologies, new technologies like electric discharge machining, electrochemical grinding and electrochemical machining. High accuracy with good surface finish can be achieved. Possesses the capability of drilling circular and non-circular holes in very hard materials like ceramics and other brittle materials. Disadvantages. Low material removal rate. It is difficult to drill deep holes as slurry movement is restricted. Frontal and side tool wear rate is high due to abrasive particles, especially when cutting steel and carbides. Side wear produces less accurate holes and cavities. Tools made from brass, tungsten carbide, mild steel or tool steel wear from action of abrasive grit with a ratio that ranges from 1:1 to 200:1. Ultrasonic machining can be used only when the hardness of the work is more than 45 HRC. It is not economical for soft materials, not suitable for heavy stock removal. Ultrasonic machining is not suitable for machining holes and cavities with lateral extension of more than 25 to 30 mm with a limited depth of cut. Every job needs a specific tool, therefore tool cost is high. The abrasive slurry should be changed regularly to replace worn out particles, therefore additional cost is involved. Sharp corners are difficult to make using ultrasonic machining. Applications. Machining of cavities in electrically non-conductive ceramics, used to machine fragile components in which otherwise the scrap rate is high. Use it for multi-step processing of fabricating silicon nitride turbine blades. Large number of holes of small diameter could be machined. 930 holes with 0.32 mm has been reported using hypodermic needles. Used for machining hard, brittle metallic alloys, semiconductors, glass, ceramics, carbides, etc. Used for machining round, square, irregular shaped holes and surface impressions. Used in machining of dies for wire drawing, punching and blanking operations. Ultrasonic machining can perform machining operations like drilling, grinding and milling operations on all materials which can be treated suitably with abrasives. Ultrasonic machining has been used for piercing of dies and for parting of and blanking operations. Ultrasonic machining enables a dentist to drill a hole of any shape on teeth without any pain. Ferrites and steel parts, precision mineral stones can be machined using ultrasonic machining. Ultrasonic machining can be used to cut industrial diamonds. Ultrasonic machining is used for grinding quartz, glass, ceramics, cutting holes with curved or spiral center lines, and cutting threads in glass and mineral or metalloceramics.